The cemeteries stand silent, rows of white headstones, a solemn reminder. Each stone a life given, each name a story. Memorial Day. It's a day for our nation, a day to remember, to honor those who made the ultimate sacrifice. This day wasn't always about barbecues or the unofficial start of summer. It began in the wake of a terrible war, the Civil War. A nation divided, then reunited, but not without a cost. Memorial Day. A time to reflect on that cost, to remember the fallen from all our wars. Their courage echoes through time. We are here because of them. Let us never forget. Across America, communities gather. Parades wind through towns and cities. Flags wave, a sea of red, white, and blue. The stars and stripes, a symbol of unity, a reminder of the price of freedom. But Memorial Day is more than parades. It's a visit to a local cemetery, placing flowers on a veteran's grave, a moment of silence at 3 p.m., a time to reflect on their sacrifice, the playing of taps, a mournful melody. It hangs in the air, heavy with meaning. We remember those who never came home, those who gave all for their country. We honor their memory. This day is a tribute to their courage, their selflessness, their willingness to fight for something bigger than themselves, for our freedom. We must never take it for granted. Behind every headstone, a story, a life lived, a sacrifice made. Fathers, mothers, sons, and daughters. They came from all walks of life, ordinary people who answered the call of duty. They were young, full of dreams. They believed in something larger than themselves. They stepped forward to defend our nation, to protect our freedoms. They fought bravely, selflessly. Their stories remind us of the human cost of war, the pain, the loss, the families forever changed. We remember their sacrifice. We honor their memory. We strive to be worthy of their gift. There's the story of the young soldier. He threw himself on a grenade, saving his comrades. He gave his life for theirs. His name, forever etched in our hearts, and the nurse. She tended to the wounded with compassion and care. She saw the horrors of war firsthand, yet she never lost her humanity. These stories are not just history. They are reminders of the human spirit's resilience, of the power of courage and sacrifice. They inspire us to live better lives, to strive for peace, to honor their memory. Their stories deserve to be told, passed down through generations. They remind us of the fragility of peace and the importance of preserving it for ourselves and for future generations. We are the beneficiaries of their sacrifice. The freedoms we enjoy, the opportunities we have, they are all because of them. They gave us the precious gift of liberty. Let us never take it for granted. Memorial Day is a call to action, to remember, to honor, to live lives worthy of their sacrifice. We must strive to be better citizens, to contribute to our communities, to make a difference in the world. Their legacy lives on in the freedoms we cherish, in the values we uphold, in the very fabric of our nation. We are forever indebted to them. Their sacrifice will never be forgotten. So as you gather with family and friends, as you enjoy the freedoms this day represents, take a moment to remember, to reflect, to honor the fallen. Their sacrifice made this day possible. Let their memory inspire us to be better citizens, to build a better future, to ensure that their sacrifice was not in vain. Freedom is not free. It comes at a cost paid by brave men and women. We owe them a debt we can never repay, but we can honor their memory by living lives of purpose, by cherishing our freedom, by never forgetting their sacrifice. Their legacy lives on in each and every one of us.